Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation. This is the Angler Edition, and I'll show you why. Right here, on either side, we have two doors that open up. So you've got a really big swim platform back here to cast off of, and another feature is for kids to jump on and off the boat. So we've got a ski tow bar back here, and it's powered by 150. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. We're going to start here in the bow and work our way towards the stern. We've got a lot of seating up here, cup holders on either side, and what I really like about these seats is they come up on hinges, they're not falling all over the place, and then you can easily put them back. Making our way up towards the helm, we have a nice little storage area underneath, raised helm. We do have our high back seat and then our tilt steering wheel. This is powered by Clarion Audio, Lowrance fish finder, and then your standard tacks up here as well. Nice L-shaped seating here. Again, we've got storage under all these cushions. And then my favorite part about this boat, again, this is the Angler Edition. It's built for fishing. So again, we have a door that open up here on your starboard side, and then on our port. So we have a really big swim platform, easy area to fish and cast off of. And then if you want the kids to have an area to play and jump off, it's a big space as well. Couple of seats here that you can rotate and put them in different spots. And then back here, you got an area for 3 rods on either side. We do have a live well on this boat, and then a spot for your bait. Couple cup holders on either side, and then more storage below. Right here, we do have spots to put your tackle in. USB port, and then your 12 volt. So again, 23 feet in length. This boat is located here in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment, or walk right on in. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.